Hello, FlexTube family. Today, we're diving into a treasure trove of astonishing facts that will leave you completely speechless. These are the kinds of facts that are so unbelievable, they sound like they're straight out of science fiction. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's dive into 10 surprising facts you've probably never heard before. Fact 1. A planet made of diamonds. Imagine a planet where diamonds are as common as rocks. Well, it exists. 55 Cancri E, a planet located 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer. This exoplanet is twice the size of Earth and is believed to be made largely of carbon. Due to its intense pressure and heat, scientists think much of that carbon has turned into diamonds. If you've ever dreamed of living the life of luxury, this planet might just be your ultimate fantasy destination. Too bad it's impossible to visit for now. Fact 2. The immortal jellyfish nature has its very own time machine in the form of the Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish. This fascinating creature, found in oceans around the world, has a unique ability. It can revert to its juvenile form after reaching maturity. This cycle can theoretically repeat indefinitely, making the jellyfish biologically immortal. Scientists are studying it to understand how it might hold secrets to halting aging in humans. Fact 3. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. Here's a botanical twist that will blow your mind. According to scientific definitions, bananas are classified as berries, but strawberries are not. A berry is a fruit that develops from a single ovary and has seeds embedded inside the flesh. Bananas fit this description perfectly, while strawberries develop from multiple ovaries, disqualifying them from the berry category. How's that for food for thought? Fact 4. The Eiffel Tower can grow taller. The Eiffel Tower isn't just an architectural marvel, it's also a physics lesson. During hot summer days, the metal in the tower expands, causing it to grow by up to 6 inches, 15 centimeters. Conversely, in winter, the tower contracts. It's a fascinating example of how temperature affects materials and demonstrates the flexibility of structures built to withstand the test of time. Fact 5. The world's quietest room. Ever wondered what complete silence feels like? Microsoft's anechoic chamber in Redmond, Washington, holds the Guinness World Record for being the quietest place on Earth. The room absorbs 99.99% of sound, with a background noise level measured at -20.3 decibels. People who enter the chamber often hear their own heartbeat and blood flow. Fun fact, most people can only endure the silence for a few minutes before it becomes unbearable. Fact 6. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Octopuses are some of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean, and one reason is their anatomy. They have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Interestingly, the heart that supplies blood to the body stops beating when the octopus swims. This is one of the many reasons octopuses prefer crawling to conserve energy. Fact 7. Ancient air conditioning. The ancient Persians were pioneers of sustainable technology. Around 400 BC, they invented wind towers called badgirs to naturally cool their homes. These towers directed wind into buildings while venting hot air out. They were so effective that even in scorching desert climates, the interior of a building could remain refreshingly cool. Talk about being ahead of their time. Fact 8. A cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. They look fluffy and weightless, but clouds are surprisingly heavy. The average cumulus cloud weighs about 1.1 million pounds, 500,000 kilograms. This weight comes from tiny water droplets suspended in the air. Luckily, these droplets are spread out over a large area, so we don't feel the weight when the cloud passes overhead. Fact 9. You're taller in the morning. Have you ever noticed that you're slightly taller in the morning? This phenomenon occurs because the discs in your spine absorb fluid while you're lying down, causing them to expand. During the day, the pressure of standing and moving compresses the discs, making you a little shorter by bedtime. The difference is usually just a few millimeters, but it's still a fun fact to share. Fact 10. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. Under the right conditions, known as the triple point, water can exist simultaneously as a solid, liquid, and gas. This happens at a very specific combination of temperature, 0.01 degrees Celsius, and pressure, 611.657 pascals. It's a phenomenon studied in physics and used in calibrating thermometers. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Conclusion, and there you have it. 10 mind-boggling facts that prove just how incredible our world is. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FlexTube for more amazing content like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.